Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pepperstone cTrader. Well, first you just come to pepperstone.com. Once you're logged in, you can come here and click on platforms. Then here you'll see cTrader, right? There's cTrader for the web. You can just click on this and it will open up in a new tab. There's cTrader, the app itself for your PC. You can go ahead and download that. There's the app for the mobile version and there's automated as well. This one is automated platform. Okay, I'm using right now cTrader Web just to show you around. You can come here, click on login here at the top right. You can log in with your Google account as well and begin trading. And here on the left hand panel, you'll see all the different markets you have available. You can do copy trading as well. As you can see from this section, you'll see different strategies you can go ahead and use in people. You can start copying. We have the algorithms here. We have the analyze feature as well. This one will need you to go ahead and log in. We have different widgets you can get for that. You can log in as well to your account. Now here, if you want to place an order, you can come here, click on new order. And for these, of course, you need to be logged in. But here you can see the buy and sell section. The same process, right? You select your quantity, how many lots you want. Let's say 2 lots. You'll see the value here, the buy margins, how much you're going to have to spend for this. And here you can see whether you're going to buy, sell, if you want to do market price, limit price as well. You can do an expiry date as well. You can set a stop loss if you want. Here, as you can see, even a stop limit, right? And if you scroll down here, you'll see the calendar, depth of market, more details about that specific, security that you selected. And then go ahead and place your order. And once you place your order, you'll see all your positions right here. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.